Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to connect Notion to your Claude AI account. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can do this by clicking on your profile, clicking on settings, and then clicking on connectors. Or from the chat page, you can do it from here by clicking on the plus icon or underneath the chat where it says connect your tools to Claude. So I'm going to click on there, and then I'm going to find Notion, and I'm going to click connect. So it will ask you to sign into your Notion account. So if you're not signed in, go ahead and sign in, and you'll be able to connect the two. So now it's asking, do you want to connect with Notion MCP, grant Claude access to Notion? So I'm going to say continue, and that should be set up. So now you can see my account is connected to Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.